Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I refresh my curls every morning under 5 minutes. So obviously after a good night of sleep, my hair isn't looking its best, okay? I know it's a disaster. And mind you, my curls are 3 days old in this video, a little bit dry and laying all flat. So the first thing I grab is my spray bottle with water in it. And of course, I know some of you guessed it already, my Curls Max Activator Moisturizer by Lustrasilk. This product is pretty much gonna add some moisture into your hair, but also allow your hair to be more manageable, flexible, and super soft, if it makes sense. Then you guys don't have to do it, but I love this oil. This is the Derma Sensual Radiant Glow Face Oil by Sunkissalba. I know it's a face oil, but I applied honestly everywhere, face, body, hair. I love how it smells and it's not heavy at all, and it adds some kind of like extra shine to my hair. I just love it. So I'm going to mix them all up, okay? Then proceed to spraying my hair with that same mixture, not until it becomes soaking wet but damp instead. So option 1, I don't use anything. I only shake my hair until I feel like it's bouncy enough, and you can already see the results by just doing it. I usually do this when my curls are still in the very defined phase, if it makes sense. Option 2, I use a wide tooth comb, and I do this when my hair starts getting frizzy. It starts happening on the 5th day. Moving on to hairstyling, as usual, I create my side part, then reapply my Eco Styler gel all over my edges. Then use this little comb to style my edges, create some sort of waves. I don't know, since I cut my hair, I've been obsessed with waves. I feel like it really helps with the look, the whole look. When I'm done, I use the side comb. I started using it because since my hair has grown, it kind of hides the side part, so it pretty much helps me stabilize that side of my hair. And of course, my 2 little pigtails. And voila, this is the final look. This is how I refresh my curls every single morning under 5 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.